Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u to the power of 3 because I want to cancel about the cubic root. That's why I need to put this one going here and here. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about the s equals to 3u squared du. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 in here to find the value of u, and this one you got about u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 8, so we put the value of number 8 in here, so we put the cubic root for the both sides, and you got about u equals to number 2. Number 1 we keep the same. Number 8 we change by number 2. This one about s we change by u to the power of 3. So I will put in here and here. The s we change by this one. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. U squared divided by u, you got about u in here. So number 3 we put outside, and u I will put in here. Now we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to ln of 2 plus u. If we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about dt equals to du over 2 plus u. dv, you got about u du. The integration of this one, you got about v equals to u squared over 2. And now, because we still have number 3, so we keep number 3 going here. So we have t multiplied by v. So you got about u squared over 2 ln of 2 plus u. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. Minus number 3, we have dt multiplied by v, so we have 3 over 2, and we have the integration from number 1 to number 2, and we have u squared over u plus 2 du. Now we put number 2 and number 1 going here. So 2 squared, you got about 4. 4 divided by 2, you got about 2. Number 3, number 2, you got about 6. This one you got about ln of number 4. 3 over 2. This one you got about ln number 3. This one we can put about 2u because I want to create about the factor divided by u plus 2. Later that we need to minus about 2u. Next, I will put about negative number 2. Later that, we need to negative number 4. Because negative 2u, negative number 4, we can do about factorization, and you got about u plus 2. Later that, we need to add back about positive number 4. So this one we can do about factorization. Negative number 2, negative number 4, we can do on another factorization. So this one divided by this one divided by this one. So you got about u minus 2 plus 4 over u plus 2. And now the integration of u, you got about u squared over 2. The integration of number 2, you got about 2u. The integration of this one, you got 4 ln of the absolute value of u plus 2. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. And now we put number 2 and number 1 going here. So I need to put about number 2 going here and here. Number 1 going here and here. Now we need to simplify. 2 squared over 2, you got about 2. This one you got about 4. This one you got about 4. This one you got about 2, 1 over 2. And this one you got about 3. Now 2 minus 4, you got about negative number 2. This one you got negative number 3 over 2. So negative number 3 over 2 multiplied by negative number 2 and 4 ln 4. So we have we have number 3 and we have negative number 6 ln number 4. Next, 3 over 2 multiplied by negative number 3 over 2. You got about negative 9 over 4. And 3 over 2 multiplied by number 4 ln number 3. You got about 6 ln number 3. This one cancel this one. Negative number 3 over 2 plus 6. You got about 9 over 2. And this one you got about 3 over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.